Hello everyone. So this video will be dedicated to the XCP kit. We will be learning about the placement of these different holders. There are three sets: yellow, blue, and red. Yellow is used for the posteriors periapical. Blue one is used for the anteriors. Red one is used for the bite wings. All right. We will go one by one. First we will be learning about the red one. So let me first place the camera. All right, here's the rod. Each rod have different color marking. Here is the red one indicated by the red marking. We will be placing our holder here in this way. Bite is here is the bite and here is the holder, and then we will be placing our ring. While placing the ring, make sure that the holder is visible through it. Then because then the radiation will be in the contact with the phosphorus spirit. These are used for the bite wings. Here we will be placing. While placing, make sure that the rod is toward the mesial side, because if it will be placed distally, it will be uncomfortable for the patient, as it will be contacting with the cheek. All right, here's the main posteriors, this way, posteriors, molars, premolars, in this way, posterior molars and premolars. Then comes to the blue one. Blue one is used for the anteriors. Here's the anterior rod, here's the holder, there are the blue marking on it. While placing, make sure that you are holding it upward. Secure the holder. All right, then place the ring. Make sure that the holder is visible through it. It will be used for the interiors, this way. Interiors, canine, maxillary, mandible, canine, anteriors, canine. Then comes to the yellow one. Yellow is used for the periapicals, posterior periapicals. There are two different ways to secure it. First way, it will be used for the maxillary right and mandibular left. In second way, it will be used for the maxillary left and mandibular right. All right, then first we will be placing our holder upward. Then place the ring. Make sure that the holder is visible through it. So it will be used for the maxillary right, mandibular left. So in first way, we placed the holder facing upward, and ring. Make sure that the holder is visible through the ring. In second way, we will be place the holder facing downward. Then this will be used for the maxillary left and mandibular right. So this was the quick video. Thank you. please do comment. Maxillary left, ring toward the mesial side, mandibular right. All right. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.